Good morning, everybody. Welcome to today's Bitcoin technical analysis update. And if you could please like and subscribe, that would really help the channel. Thank you very much. So let's get straight into it. If we look at the chart on the monthly, and we just look at where the monthly candle has closed, you can see that we had a support of a monthly at 38,467, and we had this big red candle here, and it actually closed below, so that is a bit of a red flag for us. We're currently retesting this monthly, so this is going to be really important to see if we do keep below this monthly line, to see if we do have further downside. But on the flip side of that, if we just drop it onto the weekly, the nearest weekly level we had has actually held. So the monthly does look bearish or potentially bearish, and the weekly got the touch, got the bounce. So as we speak at the minute, we have a monthly just above us, we have a weekly just below us, and we're holding this level just as we speak. So that gives a bit of hope for the bulls. One thing else to note, I would say, is if you look how many weeks we've had red consecutive red candles. We've had the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've had 5 consecutive red candles on the weekly, and you'll be hard pressed to find that there's nowhere there where we've had 5 consecutive reds. So going back up past price history, does that mean we're in for a bit of a change and maybe ready for a green week? That remains to be seen, but maybe we are due, so what we actually got last week was, we finally got what I've been waiting for. If you've been watching my previous videos, you know I was trading from this parallel channel. We did get a bounce around here earlier in the week, but I did explain that I did expect a touch of this channel, so we did get the touch. I managed to get a trade off it. Does that mean I'm bullish and expecting price to come back up now? Am I expecting a rotation? Another rotation up? Maybe, but I am very cautious at the minute. If you've been, like I said, if you've seen my other videos, then you will know that one of the things I'm watching for is the liquidity. We've taken some of this liquidity below here. We still have this, and we still have this liquidity. So what I think would be nice is if we do get a breakdown, but it would be a fake out, grab all the liquidity down here, get yourself back in the channel. If we can do that, so what I mean is we come down, and you got to remember at this point, if we come down there, there's a lot of people getting very bearish down here. If we break out, everybody's looking at this channel as well. So if we get a breakdown, lots of people are going to be shorting the breakdown, only for us to possibly get back up and go for a short squeeze. That's my preferred scenario. I mean, we have to be careful, because it may be that we do come down, we never get that push back up, and if that happens, then we're heading for probably lower prices. So that's one thing I'm looking at. And the other thing is what I'm thinking of, what is everybody else out there looking? Well, everybody's looking at this falling wedge, which everyone thinks is going to go up, break out up to the upside, but my experience tells me that that won't be as simple as that, and what it might do is it might break down first, take all the liquidity, like I say, before we get the pump. Or maybe we do get the breakout, get everybody bullish, only to dump. I'm not preferring that right now. I would prefer a breakdown and then a push. So So I am just being patient. I am in a long position, but I am being cautious, and I am expecting maybe this breakdown. And that's it for today. See you again next time. Thank you. Bye bye.